Hello everyone. Today we will see Formula tab in Excel. So let's start. This is our Formula tab. If I select this, then I will see different functions and all the tools under this Formula tab. So let's use from the beginning. If I select this cell and click this, then based on any of your description, Excel will recommend you your required functions and you can use them. How you can use? uh, for example, if I want to use if function, this one I want to use, click OK or double click on it, you can see the function is there. Okay, here what is my logical test? Here I will say that if the English, that is anybody, gets 80 or more than 80, that will be considered very good. Otherwise, if anybody gets below 80, that will be okay. Okay, so I'm just putting a condition. So I'm selecting this, that is h2 is equal to h2 is greater than or is equal to 80. That is, if h2, that is any number, is equal to or more than 80, then it will be very good. And one thing, I have to include the text within inverted comma, very good, else okay. So if anybody gets below 80, it will be okay. Then okay, you can see Robin got 85 in English, so he has got very good grade. Here everybody got very good because everybody got 80 or above 80, but only John got 70. That's why he got a grade of okay. So this is how we can insert functions. I am removing this. So uh, in this function, you can see if you click this, if you click all, you will get all the categories. But if you select any particular category, then you can see all the functions under this particular category. Okay, you can see financial, date and time related functions. You can see statistical functions. By double click or selecting and clicking OK, you can use that function by giving the values. Okay, now auto sum. Auto sum is used to sum a data set. For example, uh, if I select this cell to make the auto sum, then uh, after selecting this cell, I'm going to formula and auto sum. Here we can see the range is automatically selected. If you can also modify the range, sometimes it is not able to select the uh, correct range. So in that case, you can range this properly. Now, if you can see the option formula is already there. Enter. You can see the auto sum. Okay. Now here recently used functions will be available. Here you can see different category and their uh, functions under this category. That is the same thing that we saw here. Okay, logical category, these are functions under logical category. These are functions under text category. Okay, these are functions under math category, and some more functions are available under statistical category. These are these functions. So if I there are more than 400 functions available here. So if I want to make them make explain them each and every one everything, then it will consume much more time. So I am showing you a way how you can know about function and their use, and how can you learn about every function. For example, I am using chat gpt here. uh, it's taking time in loading. Okay, I'm refreshing this page again. I'm selecting a tab, or I can select a new tab. Here you can type, for example, uh, average is a function. Okay, so uh, tell ChatGPT that uh, tell me about the use of average function in Excel with a simple dataset. Okay, it is taking some time, so we have to wait. Here we can see that ChatGPT is showing us the formula. Okay, that is average, and it has uh, given a range, that is equal to, and then you have to give the function name, and a3 to a7. Okay, from a3 to a7 I will put some data, and based on that I will calculate average. Okay, I'm going there. I am taking a new data sheet, a3 to a7, a and 3. Okay, this is a3, this is a4, a5, a6, a7. So from a3, let's take 15, 17, 20, 16, 15. Okay, so from 3 to 7, I have taken some data, is equal to average, or you can double click. Okay, opening bracket, then I have to select the entire data. See, the entire data is selected, then closing bracket, enter. You can see the average number is showing here. So this is how you can learn about different functions and their formulas through ChatGPT, and you can put the data accordingly and calculate. I'm deleting this sheet.